Hi guys! So Calabar sent me a huge range of their amazing products and I have been trying them and I absolutely love them. And I was like, why not do a nice tutorial and show how to use these fantastic products. If you know me, I'm all about eyes and I do really detailed eye makeup tutorials, and I really wanted to use these Calabar amazing palettes and do a lovely eye makeup tutorial. I have done my skin for now. I have just done my foundation, concealer and everything. I've finished that, and I'm gonna straight up start with my eyes, and then later we might just do some blush and contour and everything. So yes, let's get started. So today I was thinking of doing something in black, like a nice black smoky eye but with like a little bit of shimmer and a nice eyeliner to go with it. I'm gonna pick up this first kajal, which is the Calabar. It's a Scandal kajal in the shade Black Laundry. I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna start applying it near my waterline. Now I'm gonna start blending this kajal out with a fluffy brush. I'm going in circular and wiper motion to blend this fantastic deep color kajal. Smoky eye, it's very important that your kajal is nicely intense and very dark. After blending my black kajal, I'm going to use a nude color eyeshadow just to soften the lines on the edges. So I'm using my nude 12 Calabar palette. This has a huge range of nude eyeshadows, very good for like very soft and minimalistic eyes. Very good for everyday and even like occasions, other occasions. Taking my nude eyeshadow, I'm taking something like this, and I'm gonna start placing it above my socket line to soften these lines further. So I'm gonna start with putting my shimmer black eyeshadow on my entire lid, and I'm gonna use my Calabar Party All Night eyeshadow palette. It has again a nice range of colors to create a lot of looks. I'm using the shimmer black eyeshadow, which is over here, and of course my flat brush from Calabar, it's the 219 brush. I'm taking that brush, taking that shimmer black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna start placing it all over my eyelid. Wow, this is fantastic. Can you see that? After applying this beautiful black eyeshadow, I'm going to start blending the edges out with a fluffy brush. This is a brush again I got from the Calabar palette, the nude palette. It has a dual side, so it's quite convenient. After this, because I want to give a nice shape to my eye as well, I'm going to use my Calabar Ultimate Black Eyeliner. This is a pen eyeliner and it's so smooth. Just look, when I'm applying it, it just flows really well. Absolutely love it. So I'm going to create a wing at the corner. Can you see how nicely the eyeliner is flowing? And trust me, it's so easy to do a wing with a pen eyeliner like that. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm also gonna give a nice shape in the inner corner. Wow, I absolutely love it. Now for the bottom part of my eye, I'm going to take the same black eyeshadow and I'm going to start depositing it under my eye. And now to complete the look in the waterline, I'm going to put my Color Bar Just Black Just Smoky Kajal and apply it in the waterline. Now I'm going to take my Color Bar Zoom and Whoosh Mascara. I really like this because it has a dual tip, so sometimes like I take the bigger wand for my upper lashes and the lower with the other one, so it gives a nice effect to my eyelashes. I'm just gonna start applying this zigzag and up. Okay, so my eyes are done. I think they look really nice. I already finished with my base, my skincare and everything. In fact, there's a oil primer which I used today, and that's why my skin feels really nice. That's also from Color Bar. It's fantastic. I'm gonna start contouring my face now. So I'm taking the Color Bar Flawless Touch Contour and Highlighter Kit. This Color Bar brush, which is the 214, it's an angled brush, so it really fits in the corner and helps to create a nice contour. Just look how I'm doing it. I'm taking it a tiny bit of color on my angled contour brush, and always take off the excess because it could be a lot. Keep the brush in the corner, and so it's a perfect size, which also fits like great on the nose. And I'm just cleaning this brush, and with the same brush, the other part of the kit, which is the highlighter, I'm going to take some and apply it on my high cheekbones. Give a nice highlight to my skin. Bridge of the nose. Now we are gonna come to the blush on, which is again the Color Bar Everything's Rosy. I like the color, it's really nice. It's nice pinky. I like pink blushes. It just adds a pop of color to your skin, especially when you're wearing a look like this, which is all black or like neutral. I'm gonna take a brush and I'm gonna directly start applying it. Now we've finished with mostly everything. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of a lipstick. This is the Desert Rose Kiss Proof lipstick from Color Bar. I don't want too much, but I love the color. Like, it's gonna add like a nice color to this look. So I'm just taking some on my finger. Take off the excess on my hand. And just give a tint of color. So yeah, that's how my makeup looks. I have used all Color Bar products. Thank you Color Bar for sending such a huge range of products to me, and I really enjoyed creating this look. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and have a great day.